Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of the Laowa 65mm 2.8 for my Sony E-mount camera. So it's going to be a quick short video, pretty straightforward. And to begin, I've already just taken off the outside plastic just to make it a little bit easier to do the unboxing. So we'll just jump straight into it. So inside the box, you've got the usual stuff. You have the silica pad, the lens obviously, and a little information card with some warranty information, as well as a user guide. All pretty straightforward and simple stuff, so there's nothing really extravagant to see here, but this is the actual lens. It comes in a nice little soft sleeve, and it is exceptionally small and exceptionally light. I think it's about 350 grams or something, so quite a good weight. And the most interesting thing of all is this lens feels exceptionally good quality. It's sturdy, it's strong, it feels probably better quality than my Sony lenses and some of my Canon lenses as well. But we'll see how it goes when I start using it. Anyway, that's pretty much the entire video. I'm not going to go into any review data or show any pictures. It's just going to be a simple unboxing. So here's the rest of the clip.